talk about nonetheless and nevertheless. And can you read for us, please? What do they tell us?
Okay. Nonetheless and nevertheless both mean despite what has just been said. We use those words before an expected result. I'm busy this weekend. Nevertheless, I'll I'll uh, I'll come to your party. I'm busy this weekend. Nonetheless, I'll come to your party.
Mhm.
We can also use the expression even so. I'm busy this weekend, even so, I'll come to your party. I don't really agree with you, even so, I guess we can go ahead with it.
Great. This is similar to although and despite, but with those two connectors, we use them in one sentence. With nevertheless and nonetheless and even so, we use this between two sentences. That's the main difference. But notice that just like with although and despite, we use them before an unexpected result. Okay, so he's injured. I'll just do the first one as an example. We just have to basically think of an unexpected result. For example, we must think of something unusual or surprising or unexpected that an injured person would do. So he's injured. Nevertheless, he went to the gym this morning, like that, because that's an unusual thing for an injured person to do. All right. Eman, we will give you 17.
She didn't graduate for college. None threes? No,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's like three words together. Nonetheless. Nonetheless, all together.
Nonetheless. Okay. Nonetheless. Sorry, teacher, what's the meaning of nonetheless?
Well, we just use this before an unexpected result, something surprising or unexpected. That's all. So what is a surprising thing for a person who didn't graduate from college?
Uh,
That's all you have to do. Think of
complete
something.
studying?
Complete studying. Well, graduate means to complete studying, and she did not complete
So,
studying. And
yeah.
so, what is something surprising that she did because of that?
Oh, I think maybe another complete the last year of college with their other friends. Can say it.
So she didn't complete university, but then she did complete it.
No, she didn't graduate, but
Hmm.
graduate from college, it means that she finished the college. So
That's
if
right.
she didn't graduate,
Hmm.
so she will complete or,
Oh,
or I think
unless she will complete it next year.
yeah, complete.
She will
She will
complete
complete.
her studies next year, perhaps.
Oh, we
Okay.
should to say a time. We should.
Actually, it's pretty wide open. You could say anything that might be surprising or unexpected because of this. For example, we might say, nonetheless, she is the manager at her office, and everyone who works for her went to university, right? Something like that. Or nonetheless, she teaches at a university, or I don't know, something like that. So
Can we say that she got high marks in another in some subjects?
we could say that too. Yes, yes. Nevertheless, she got a high marks in some subjects. Yes. Mhm. Yeah. All right. So Noof, we'll give you 18.
Okay, he made a few mistakes. Nevertheless, um, he passed the test or the exam.
Perfect. Yeah, that's fine. He passed the exam. And 19, Aman?
Katie is quite intelligent. Even so, um, have a lot of friends. Or no?
Is that surprising? I
No,
don't
no, no,
know.
no,
Yeah.
no. Even so, no, even so, I have some word just on it. Even so, she is in the school. No, no, I have something on my mind, but I don't know it in English actually.
You-
Just a
you
minute,
don't
I
know
will.
what to say.
Yeah. Just a minute, I will search about it.
Okay. And I see Nora has joined us. Hello, Nora. Can you hear us? Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Hi.
All right. Welcome. Welcome.
Sorry for being late.
It's okay. It's okay. We're just going through these. When we're thinking of unexpected or surprising or unusual results in the second sentence, I think number 20 is a bit hard. But can you think of anything for us, Nora? Number 20, Sam refuses.
Sam refuses to eat his vegetables, even so he's vegan.
Okay. Yeah. He is vegan. Sure.
So teacher, yeah, I got another sentence
Yeah,
actually. I didn't
sure. Go
prepare
ahead, Aman.
that. Yeah. So Kitty is quite intelligent, even so she got bad marks.
Okay. She got bad marks or bad grades. Yes. She got bad marks. Perfect. Yeah, that's a good one. I was thinking of something like that too. All right. So, Nuke, we'll give you 21. That
Okay.
name is Giles.
Giles appears to be unwell, nonetheless, unwell, nonetheless, um, um, he went to his job. To his work, sorry.
His job is better, actually. He went to
Okay.
his job, or he went to work.
He went to his job or he went to work. Okay.
Yeah. So when we say job, we have to say like my job or your job. When
Okay.
we say work, we don't have to say that. Just to
Okay.
work. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. And lastly, number 22, Aman. I hate meetings.
Yes, teacher. I hate meeting. Even through this,
Nevertheless.
I am sorry,
Nevertheless.
teacher.
I'm not sure if you can hear me, but that says nevertheless, like that.
Yes, teacher. Nevertheless, I am important man or woman.
Okay. I guess that makes sense. Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm an important man or